Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to connect a PS5 joystick to a PC. First, decide if you prefer a wired or wireless connection. For wired, you will need a USB-C to USB-A or USB-C to USB-C cable. For wireless, ensure your PC has Bluetooth capabilities or acquire a Bluetooth adapter. Both methods offer excellent performance for your gaming sessions. Connecting your DualSense controller via a wired USB connection is incredibly simple. Just take a compatible USB-C cable, plug the USB-C end into the top of your controller, and then connect the other end, typically a USB-A, into an available port on your computer. Your PC should automatically recognize the device and install any required drivers within a few seconds, making it ready for immediate gameplay. For a wireless connection, first ensure your PC has Bluetooth enabled. Next, put your DualSense controller into pairing mode by simultaneously holding down the PlayStation button and the share button for about 3 seconds until the light bar rapidly flashes blue. On your PC, navigate to your Bluetooth settings, click Add Bluetooth or Other Device, and select Bluetooth. Choose Wireless Controller from the list to pair it. After connecting, test your controller in a game or a dedicated controller testing website to ensure all buttons and sticks are working correctly. If you encounter any issues, try updating your PC's Bluetooth drivers or checking for controller firmware updates. For broader game compatibility and customization, consider using Steam's Big Picture mode, which offers extensive controller support and mapping options for your DualSense.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.